Hello, this is your UIL One Act Play enrollment tutorial. Okay, so how to enroll in One Act Play. First thing you want to do is you want to go to the UIL Theater and Film page. All right, go to One Act Play enrollment. You'll see it on the quick links. Next step, you'll be taken to the Spring Meet entry system page where you'll want to enroll as the One Act Play director. Some folks get confused and will try to enroll as a Meet official, but right now we are only focusing on you enrolling your school in the One Act Play contest. You will see instructions right below. All right, it'll take you to a 9-step process, but right now the most important step will be to go to make sure that you have your UTE ID and password. If you've forgotten your ID, your password, you can always go to the self-help link, which will take you to UTE ID self-service tools. They'll help you get started. Next step, once you have your UTE ID and password, you'll go to the Spring Meet online entry system information page. You'll go to coordinators logon. You'll see that it is the logon for CX debate coaches, academic coordinators, and theater directors. It'll take you to the logon for the Spring Meet entry system, where you'll put in your UTE ID and password and sign in. It'll take you to step 1. This is your actual enrollment, which is your school information, all right? You'll need your TEA code. If you don't know your TEA code for your school, look it up here. Press go. And all you need to do is type in your school name, press go, and you'll see your TEA code. Put your TEA code in there. The event you wish to enter, which is One Act Play, press go. And then it'll take you to your final step where it says enroll in One Act Play. You will click that. It'll let you update any school information. If you've moved schools, if you have a different address for your school, a new email address, please make sure that you update and please press save. All right. And that is it. I would suggest you take a screenshot of your enrollment. You can always double and triple check that your school has enrolled in One Act Play by logging off the Spring Meet system and repeating the steps above 1 through 9. Once you see this step has been completed, that means that your school has enrolled, all right? And should you have any problems, you find yourself in trouble, please contact the UIL Theater office. If you have UTID problems, contact their site or call their help desk at 512-475-9400. We hope you've enjoyed the tutorial and happy One Act Play enrollment.